Look at Michelle. There's the train. It's over there.
Where? Where's the train?
We're coming up to it.
I don't see. I see Christmas lights. Wow. These lights are pretty. Oh, we're around in circles.
So cool.
Look at that. Look at that. That's very Wow. These are cool.
The train's not going.
What? What, Daddy? What you say, Daddy?
I'm looking at the train.
That's not a train.
See if we can get the train. Oh, hold on.
Train.
Here, I'll stop so you can follow.
It's moving, so I can't.
Oh, that's what a train I thought. I thought that was a train, but I thought it wasn't.
It is a train, baby girl.
I thought it was a big one.
That's pretty cool, huh?
There's no cousin riding this.
He's taking it for a little ride.
Wow. That's even cool. Is it going around?
Mm-hmm.
Around there? I can see how many Christmas lights. Are you following with that?
Oh, get it changing. Whatever it's going to do right here.
Mm.
What happened?
It's getting ready to go back.
Oh,
Why?
that's so cool.
So it's not going that way?
Yeah,
It's
it's gonna
turning
go
around and going the other way, honey.
Why?
so that way it can keep moving.
You get it? So cool.
Very cool. Honey, is this way not the signal? Is it this way don't see lots of lights? There's lots of Santa.
There's lots of lights. Do you see them all, honey? Look at this house, the final house.
Look at that.